Using debit card in Valorant is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how to use your debit card in your Valorant. So today we're going to be using this debit card to buy some Valorant points in Valorant. So for that you have to open up your Valorant, and in your Valorant you just have to click on this VP icon. Currently I have 0 VP, so I'm just going to click on that, and it will load some time to load the store. And there you guys can see, now here I have all the options for the VPs that I can buy. So I'm just going to select any number of VPs that I want to buy. Suppose I want to buy these VPs, I'm just going to click on that, and it will load few seconds, and there you guys go. Now here they want us to put the card's information. You just have to put the card holder's name, card number, expiry date, and CVV from the back. After that, you just have to click on this pay button. What it will do is it will charge this amount of money from your debit card for the number of VPs that you just bought in Valorant. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.